So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Let's do our assignment soft skill week 7th assignment 7th. So, the first question is the term reports has been derived from the Latin word. So, these are the option reportrate, reporter, reportee, reportier. So, the answer of our first question is A reporter. Now, let's go to question number second. Find out the correct statement about the personal interview as a method of data collection. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is D, both A and C. Now let's go to question number 3. Which of the following does not comprise the silent feature of a report? So these are the option a formal piece of writing, a factual account writing written in a pompous language, well organized. So the answer of our third question is C, written in a pompous language. Now let's go to question number 4. What are the objectives of a report? So these are the option to update progress, to arrive at a result based on data collection, to spread information, all of the above. So the answer of our fourth question is D, all of the above. Now the fifth question is which is the best method of data collection when you have a large crowd? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is B, questionnaire. Now the sixth question is no fixed structure is included in literary writings. So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is A. Now the seventh question is technical reports are subjective in approach. So true or false? So the answer of our seventh question is false. Now the eighth question is unity and coherence are the silent feature of a report. True or false? So the answer of our eighth question is A, true. Now the ninth question is short reports are usually formal in nature. True or false? So the answer of our ninth question is false. Now the tenth question is one should consistently use concise, plain and direct language while drafting a technical report. True or false? So the answer of our 10th question is true. Now the 11th question is dash language is used in technical report. So these are the option plain, rhetorical. So the answer of our 11th question is A, plain. Now the 12th question is there is no aesthetic pleasure included in dash reports. So these are the option mechanical, technical. So the answer of our 12th question is B, technical. Now the 13th question is a dash is a formal communication written for a specific purpose. It includes a description of procedures followed for the collection and analysis of data. Report bibliography. So the answer of our 13th question is A, report. Now the 14th question is dash reports are non-technical in nature. Management routine. So the answer of our 14th question is B, routine. Now the question 15th question is library and the internet are the dash source of data collection, primary, secondary. So the answer of our 15th question is B, secondary. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.